This is Kenya News Update today. What if I told you that nearly 3,000 future lawyers just took the most important test of their careers, and the results reveal a shocking crisis in Kenya's justice system? In the next 4 minutes, you'll discover why one exam question is failing an entire generation of advocates, and what this means for every Kenyan who might one day need a lawyer. The Council of Legal Education just dropped the November 2025 Advocates Training Program results. But here's the twist: while most candidates ace their practical skills, they're failing the one test that defines their character. Meet the 2,968 aspiring advocates, their dreams hanging on 9 papers. 1,835 were first-timers. 1,133 were giving it another shot after previous failures. For 2 weeks in November, they battled through exams that would determine their entire legal futures. The pressure was immense, the stakes, everything. But here's what nobody's talking about: the overall performance dropped from last year. Something is wrong. And then the results came in. Trial advocacy, a stunning 97.49% pass rate. These future lawyers can argue, present evidence, and fight in court. Practical skills, mastered, but here's the part that will blow your mind. Professional ethics, the very foundation of what makes a lawyer trustworthy, the moral compass of the justice system, only 25.38% passed. Let that sink in. Less than 1 in 4 future advocates understand professional ethics well enough to pass. And this isn't a one-time fluke. This marks the 3rd consecutive exam cycle where ethics has recorded the lowest pass rate. The council itself calls it a worrying trend. But wait, it gets more concerning. Out of 1,834 candidates examined across all 9 units, only 397 passed everything. That's just 21.6%. 4 out of 5 future lawyers are failing at least one critical subject. The system is producing advocates who can argue brilliantly but might not know right from wrong. Here's the escalation. CLE is taking notice. They've implemented reforms, tightening exam administration, setting, marking, and result release. They facilitated 11 candidates with special needs. They're engaging stakeholders. They even partnered with the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime for a conference on legal education's future. But the ethics problem persists. Imagine this: you're in a courtroom. Your lawyer knows every procedure, every technicality, but their moral compass is broken. What happens to your justice? The implications are terrifying. Some say this shows rigorous standards. Others say we're creating a generation of technically skilled but ethically compromised advocates. The tension is real. The Attorney General's office, the judiciary, the Kenya School of Law, they're all watching. But here's the unanswered question: if our future lawyers can't pass ethics, who will protect the soul of Kenya's justice system? The exams are over. The results are in. The crisis is clear. Do you trust a legal system where only 1 in 4 lawyers understand professional ethics? Drop your take in the comments. Subscribe to Kenya News Update today for more breaking news that affects your rights, your justice, and your future.